Hey guys, welcome back to the Romano Show, and today we are going to be reacting to Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach Ruined DLC gameplay trailer. It just came out like a few days ago, I don't even know, but I have not seen the trailer. I've only whatsoever played the game. I haven't beaten it. I've only gone like halfway through. It's really good, but it's also really dark since it was destroyed in a hurricane, earthquake. So, okay, let's get right to this. I'm scared. Oh, it's Cassie.
Cassie, I hope you get this message.
Oh.
I'm trapped here at the pizza plexer.
Oh, that's not good.
Left of it. I don't have time to go into how I got here, but you've got to help me out.
Help Gregory. Oh no, is that the daycare?
Cassie.
Oh sheesh.
It's so dark down here.
I know that part. Oh, that part where Roxy's nice. Oh no, not the endos, man. Those things suck with Chica, man.
Hurry! Run!
Oh yeah, that's where the run. Oh shoot, mommy. Woo! Yeah, I know like all of these cards. Oh, no, don't let. Oh, man. Freddy, yeah, he's not okay, man. Let go, Roxy. Oh, equip this. Oh, not glitch trap.
Don't
Ruined.
give up on me yet.
I won't, but it might be the Mimic. It is the Mimic. Yeah, we all know it's the Mimic. Not you, Gregory. You're not in the pizza plex. It's the Mimic. The Mimic is like two different people. Like that costume Manicore from the movie Onward on Disney. Okay. Alright. But we have one more thing that I've never seen before. It's gonna be the FNAF movie trailer. They actually did a FNAF movie trailer, so let's dip right into this. Let's go. Okay, I'm liking it.
Hi, this is Mike. I
What's
just
Mike?
wanted to see if that job
Okay,
that you
daughter.
offered was still available. Yes. The security guard.
Don't
I
take
would
it.
Take anything.
No.
This place was huge in the 80s with the kids.
Oh shoot, that's in the outline of Freddy.
The owner's just not ready to let it go yet.
Yeah, well, if I was the owner, I'd let it go. Trust me. Oh, she's coming in, that's her kid. Yeah, she was hiding in the ballpark from Burn Trap, man. It's so dark in there, man. Oh. Shoot,
All
rats?
you have to do is keep your eyes on the monitor.
Yeah, keep your eyes on the monitor, man. Be careful.
Welcome to Freddy Fazbear's, where fantasy and fun come to life.
Yeah, and then die after 5 seconds. Oh. Yeah, this Halloween.
You must be new security guard.
Who's that?
Help you, officer?
Have you met them yet?
Yeah, Chica, Bonnie, Foxy, and him, and Freddy. And her cupcake. Yeah, don't fall asleep there. Why is the whole place powering up? Oh no. Shh. You should have done that, mate.
In the 80s, kids went missing.
Yes.
The police searched Freddy's top to bottom. Hello?
Don't say hello to
Never
them.
found them.
Yeah, no. You're gone. Alright, yeah, you're
That's why
dead.
the place shut down.
Oh,
There are
snap.
ghost children possessing giant robots.
Yes, little ghost children.
Technically, they're animatronics.
Yes! Boom! You understand it now.
They want to make her like them.
They're gonna make his daughter Abby like that. That's bad. Oh, shoot.
It's too late.
Burn trap. Oh, no. Is that the Mimic? I don't like that humming. Oh, shoot. Oh, he's dead. Oh, no, not Burn Trap. Who's that? Oh, boy.
Where to? Why do I always get the weirdos?
Ah! Wait. Freddy is friends with the daughter? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Why do I always get the weirdos?
Okay, this mean... Guys, you know what this means? Freddy is good. He's just... Oh. Yo, that That is crazy. Well, guys, that is it. Those are the FNAF trailers. I'll see you guys soon. Adios.